Hey, what's going on, Jeffy?
Hey, how are you? Awesome car.
Hey,
Wow.
good to see you, man.
Awesome.
How's it going?
Wow.
So yeah, this is it. This is the new.
I didn't even get to look at
ride.
it yet. This looks really cool.
That's like my favorite thing about it.
This is really cool. You like it?
Yeah, it's so amazing.
Okay, we're gonna do something weird. We're gonna get out, and then we're gonna come back and take the camera after.
Do you have to push pause?
I'm gonna get out first. We're gonna get out and close the
Okay.
door, and then we're gonna come back.
Okay. I like this song.
I've heard it. Sorry.